Did you know the world's biggest restaurant chain started because of a milkshake machine salesman who wouldn't give up? In 1954, Ray Kroc was struggling to sell milkshake machines when he got a huge order from two brothers in California. Dick and Mac McDonald had created something revolutionary at their small burger stand, the Speedy Service System. Burgers, fries and shakes delivered in 30 seconds flat. Kroc was amazed. He saw what the brothers couldn't. This wasn't just a restaurant, it was a formula that could work anywhere. He convinced them to let him franchise their concept across America, but the brothers wanted to move slow and keep things simple. Kroc wanted to move fast and think big. Tensions exploded. In 1961, Kroc bought them out for $2.7 million and took complete control. He didn't just sell burgers, he standardized everything, turned franchising into an art form, and made money from real estate. What started as one small burger stand became a global empire that changed how the entire world eats.